because I felt like I was dying. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I have a lifestyle channel. I talk about fitness, food, law of attraction, and personal experiences. So if you're into that kind of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So I quit keto recently after 2 months. It actually felt like it was an eternity on keto, but I quit. And I think a lot of it had to do with not taking the right supplements. So I wasn't taking potassium, I wasn't taking magnesium, even though I should have taken some type of vitamin. I was living off of eggs and chicken Caesar salads. And like I would sprinkle in some vegetables here and there, but that wasn't cutting it. And my body was slowly shutting down. And I felt like absolute crap. I kicked myself out of ketosis towards the end of the 2 months, and honestly it was unintentional. It was around that time of the month and I was eating a lot of dark chocolate. So on top of that, coming out of ketosis, I think I got the keto flu. I didn't even know if my body was trying to fight off an actual cold or if it was the keto flu or both, because I was running a light fever. I had no energy. It was terrible. Like I didn't even want to get out of bed. Work was horrible just because I didn't feel right. I came home, I didn't even want to work out. It was a lot. I did, however, lose 20 pounds. So I said, hey, I'll take it. I got off of keto, and then I just told myself I was going to go ahead and keep low carbing it, just eat a healthy, clean diet, continue working out, continue tracking my macros, etc., etc. So far it's been working great. I'm still eating very healthy, and now that I understand where carbs come from, pretty much everything has carbs, and you kind of have to monitor things really closely in the beginning of your weight loss journey. But I'm living life again. I hate having limitations and restrictions. I'm sure nobody likes it, but I feel like I can live life again. You know, right? Like the whole thing is not to binge on anything. You can have control over food now. If you want to drink, you can drink. I mean, you can drink on keto, but it's going to slow your process down. But really, I mean, I hated having the guilt or like coming out of ketosis. It is so strict. I'm living life again. Keto is great if you want a jump start to weight loss, but I have absolutely no idea how people do this long term. How do y'all do it? I did have a friend tell me that you are supposed to kind of take a break from it after 90 days. I don't even know if that's called like carb cycling. I've heard of carb cycling, maybe like do keto and then not do keto and then do keto again. I don't know, inform me down in the comments below if I'm wrong. Luckily, I didn't go through anything crazy while I was on keto as well. I heard like people losing their hair. I've seen videos on YouTube talking about people losing their hair, and I'm like, if I start seeing some hair loss, I am stopping it. No, and nobody got time for that. Now, if you found me through my keto videos, I'm still going to record and track my fitness journey with my channel, so don't leave me, please don't. But that's pretty much everything I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.